Are you shopping for a lightweight travel stroller for your family? Well, if you are, then you may want to consider the Silver Cross Jet 5. This is the latest version of the Silver Cross Jet. It works from newborn, it works with an infant car seat, and it fits in the overhead compartment of an airplane. And in this video, I'm excited about showing you a full review. So this is the Jet 5, the latest, I guess the 5th iteration of the Jet, and they did an absolutely spectacular job. I'm very, very impressed. You can see that there is this 5-panel canopy, so really good sun protection. I'm just looking for the top down. But the thing about this is they made the stroller like a little bit wider and a little bit taller. So even though this is totally cabin friendly, fits in the overhead compartment of an airplane, will fit perfectly in your trunk, as I'll show you in a couple minutes. But it really could be a stroller from newborn as well. They also have larger wheels. Let's just go through some of the basic features of this stroller. To recline the stroller, you just pull this down. It goes down all the way. This is actually a full lie flat for newborn. So what you do is you're going to lift up the little leg, the calf support here, again, so your baby is really comfortable when they are lying flat. And then what you're going to do is underneath here, this is something that people miss a lot of the time, but it's really important. Underneath the calf support, there's a little Velcro piece, and then there is this sort of newborn catch. There's a little snap on the back of the frame, snap here, and now your infant is going to be totally safe and secure. So you could literally walk out of the hospital with your newborn baby right in the Jet. While I'm down here, there's a nice structured seat, nice cushioning, comfortable for baby. But let's fold down the stroller. So to fold down the stroller, here's what you do. You just grab the little Silver Cross logo here, push that down, put it against your hip, and then you just pull this towards you. Click. And now, another nice thing about this is you can just sort of trolley this along. So if you have your baby or your infant car seat or whatever, what have you, this just pulls right along. And to put this in the overhead compartment of an airplane, all you do is there are these 2 little buttons here. You should have just like tucked these in, and it is like super, super small. Look how small that is. It's only 15.7 pounds, so it's really light as well. And then what you'll do is you'll just pop it back in. And then what you could do is you're just going to unlatch it on the side. There's a little latch on the right here. You unlatch, and then you just flick it back up, make sure that's closed, and now you're good to go. Perfect. Another thing about this is that in terms of newborn compatibility is that it works with an infant car seat. Let me show you. I'm going to have a Nuna Pipa Air RX today in my example. So what you're going to do is you're just going to remove the belly bar. Again, just remove it. When you get your infant car seat, you're going to see there are 2 infant car seat adapters, and there's this crossbar. This crossbar is for previous versions of the Jet. You can see how the previous versions were more narrow, and also you couldn't fold it with the adapters attached. But with the new Jet, you can fold it with the adapters attached. So what you do is you just pop one in like this, click. Pop the second one in like this. Perfect. It's just very well put together. I just, I've reviewed like thousands of strollers or hundreds of strollers, over 1,000 strollers. And when something that you can really tell from sort of like better craftspersonship for the strollers is when all the sort of the attachments attach perfectly. It worked really, really nicely. And now what you're going to do is you're just going to grab your Pipa or other compatible Silver Cross products, clicks right on. So now you can go about your day. And also, I'll just say that I have this sort of gravelly surface. It pushes really nicely despite the fact that there's gravel. So even though this is a lightweight travel stroller, if you're pushing your baby across through a playground or through a gravelly area down your driveway, this is going to push really, really nicely. To remove the Pipa, what you'll do is you'll just push these 2 buttons, remove, put it to the side. And then to remove the car seat adapters, you just push right here, and you push right here. And then I'm going to raise up the seat again. This is one of the highest seat heights of any, really of any stroller. It goes really, really high. Sometimes parents complain that their babies are kind of slouching in the stroller, but the nice thing about this is you can see they're really high so they can see the world really nicely. So just to simulate a little bit of real life, let's put the Jet 5 in your trunk. So you're there with your kid, you're gonna go up to your trunk, you're gonna put on your brake, and then all you're gonna do is you'll put the infant car seat or the child into their car seat, and then you run behind here, you push down, you lift towards you, and you can see it fits like really beautifully in your trunk. To make more space, what you're gonna do is you're going to open this up, and you can see it fits a tiny, just really, really tiny in the trunk of your car. Flip-flop friendly brake, red on, green off, depending how you see it. And also this really great magnetic buckle. So it's easy for you to put your child in the stroller. So all you have to do is, it's really cool. It's actually sort of fun. Magnets together, and then magnets together, and this really nice sort of chrome detailing around the buckle as well. And I will pop in the belly bar as well. And the other thing about the Jet 5 is there's a snack tray. Let me show you. So cute. There is a new snack tray for the child, but it comes with these really beautiful little silicone accessories. So all you do is you grab your snack tray, you pop it on the front here. So now your kid can sit. You don't have to put the inserts in, but you can. What you'll do is you'll just open it up, and you just pop in this little cute little accessory. And here's a little sippy cup. Pop that in, and you're good to go on your way. Another thing about the Jet 5 is that it holds up to 55 pounds. If you want to learn more about the Silver Cross Jet 5, look at the description below, check the links about more information or where to buy, and if you have any questions, drop a comment below as well, or find me over at Instagram at mbeans.com, and if you want to see more videos like these, please subscribe to Magic Beans videos today. I'll see you at another video.